Can you guys see that? That thing's moving really fast. Oop, it's this way here. And they're coming this way. Let's see what that is. Yep, that looks like a fox to me. The diesel heater broke down on me. Crazy enough, I was coming to this campground and hoping to make a campfire, and after that come in here and have it nice and cozy. And I'm just gonna change the whole thing because otherwise I would have to clean it, change the glow plug, and it's a whole thing. These diesel heaters are not too expensive, so I'm just gonna change it. Alright, let me give you a little tour of my camp spot. That's where the external solar is coming into play because it's cloudy and it's windy and the sun comes out off and on. It's almost full, so we're good. Added another battery for the holidays. Now I have 300 amps of lithium battery, but with that, because it's more storage, it also takes longer to charge them up. So whenever I can, I'll take these out and charge it faster. The second reason why I have these portable solars out is because I chose the spot. It's a little more shaded, so I don't have to sit in the sun all the time, but it's not sunny, so it is what it is. Now this is a paid site, so it's 20 bucks a night, and it has some amenities. I'm gonna make some fire hopefully later on when the wind dies down. Got my little table here. I did make coffee this morning. However, because it's windy, I am gonna move this over to the van where I can have most of the stuff ready to go when I cook. There's another reason why I don't want to cook on this table is because there are squirrels around, and as soon as I turn my back, they're on the table going for the food. Making coffee is fine. They don't go for the coffee, but I hope they don't go for the coffee. I have some crazy squirrels around here. But when I go to the van to grab something, if I need anything, as soon as I turn my back, they'll be at it here trying to get some food. This is where I had my coffee this morning. I mean, come on, look at the view. And you know, it is cloudy, but it's beautiful, so I'm not gonna complain too much about that. It's lunchtime, my favorite time of the day. Let's make some ramen here. go, baby. Spicy already, but you know me. Make it spicier. Oh yeah. Thank you for coming along on today's video, which will be the last of 2023. I'm gonna take some time off to spend with family and friends. Happy holidays to all of you. I have plenty of ideas for fun videos for 2024, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.